Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today is Monday the 13th of February. We are glad to present our weekly analytical review for major Forex instruments. Last week, the euro-dollar pair fell to the lower line of Bollinger Bands at 1.0600 and is now trying to rise to the level of 1.0710. The next bullish target will be at the level of 1.0825 and possibly 1.0960. In case of a reversal at 1.0700 or the breakdown of 1.0600, the pair may go further down to the levels of 1.0500 and 1.0400. Technical indicators give controversial signals. The MACD histogram is going to cross the zero line from above and form a sell signal. Stochastic has entered the oversold zone, which can lead to a buy signal. On Tuesday and Wednesday, we expect high volatility on the markets after the speeches of the Fed's Janet Yellen in Congress. In the current situation, long positions could be opened above the middle line of Bollinger Bands at 1.0700, with the targets at 1.0825 and 1.0960. After a reversal at 1.0700 or a breakdown of 1.0600, short positions would become relevant with the targets at 1.0500 and 1.0400. Last week, the pound-dollar pair was trading in a range of 1.2585 to 1.2440. The breakout of the upper limit would give the chance of future growth to the cluster of Fibonacci corrections at 1.2710 and even further to 1.2885. If the lower limit of 1.2440 is broken down, the pair will go to the levels of 1.2340 and 1.2230. Technical indicators do not give clear signals. However, stochastic hits directed upwards. As for the fundamental data, traders should pay attention to the January statistics of the Consumer Price Index in the UK. In this situation, long positions should be opened above the level of 1.2585 with the targets at 1.2710 and 1.2885. Short positions could be opened below the level of 1.2440 with the targets at 1.2340 and 1.2230. Let's look at the dollar-yen pair, which is trading near the middle line of Bollinger Bands at 113.40. The breakdown of this level would cause a decrease to the levels of 112.40 and 111. However, a continuation of growth to the levels of 115.60 and 117 seems more likely, and technical indicators confirm the forecast. Stochastic is directed upwards. The MACD histogram is decreasing in the negative zone. As for the fundamental data, the pair may be affected by the statistics on the volume of industrial production and GDP in Japan. In this situation, long positions can be opened at the level of 114.40 with a target at 115.60. After the breakdown of the level of 113.40, short positions would be relevant with the targets at 112.40 and 111. The Australian dollar-American dollar was trading last week in the range of 0.7700 to 0.7610 and is likely to continue. With the consolidation above the level of 0.7700, the bulls may push the price to the levels of 0.7755 and 0.7800. In case of a breakdown of the level of 0.7600, the pair may go to the level of 0.7520. Technical indicators do not provide clear signals. The MACD histogram is stable. Stochastic is turning upwards. In the current situation, short positions look preferable. They can be opened at the current price with the target at 0.7610. If the price bounces up from the 0.7610 mark, long positions would be relevant with the target at 0.7700. Gold prices last week continued to rise but could not reach the level of 1,250 and returned to the level of 1,230. The breakdown of the latter may drop the pair to the middle line of the Bollinger Bands at 1,211. Otherwise, the price could increase to 1,250 again. Technical indicators give controversial signals. Stochastic is directed downwards, Bollinger Bands upwards, and the MACD histogram is stable. In this situation, short positions should be opened at 1,230 with the target at 1,211. If the price rebounds from 1,230, long positions would be preferable with the target at 1,250. That's all for today. Good luck with your trading.